Zoho Schools of Learning. How to enroll in Zoho Schools of Learning without examless process. There is one unique method of Zoho Schools. It is conducted in October. It is called as the program is known as Zoho Zestober. In this video, we will detailedly describe Zoho Zestober, how to get the challenges and how to submit the challenges in Zoho Zestober.
Now, open any Chrome browser or any search engine. Here we are using Chrome browser. You have to type Zoho Zestober and enter. You can see here is the Z is Zestober. Click on it. Here you can see the Zoho Schools of Learning. Here this is join the marathon. You can close this chatbot, and here is the complete description about Zestober. This is the Zestober. Here there is given coding, designing, writing, and problem solving. Now, in video we will be discuss about this the entire what is this mean. You can see here is join us. Now you can see there is a some video tutorials of Zoho officials. Here he mentioned to October 2022 about the Zoho. Here that is the latest video uploaded in the portal. There is Zistober 2023. Now we can see how to enroll in the Zoho Zistober. So what is mean by Zoho Zistober? First we have to uh, find what is mean by Zoho Zistober. Zoho Zestober is nothing but it is a created Zoho in the month of October. In this contest, there is a daily basis task from October 1st to 31st October. There is a daily based task is given in the portal in their Zoho connection. You have to choose any of them streams. In coming video, I will tell you you have to which you have to choose. This is for only what is the eligibility of the program is for the 12th pass out students and the age between 17 to 21 there is mentioned. So if after this completion of this October, you will be selected for Zoho Schools of Learning without examless process. If you have to go to learn in Zoho Schools, you have to give the particular examination. If you have to go with the examless process, this is the best way to go in Zoho Schools of Learning. There is there and this is a 2 years program. Then we will in upcoming videos in my series I will tell about Zoho schools of another uh, schools like Zoho schools of business, Zoho schools of technology, another Zoho schools and examless process and the examless process in upcoming videos. Now detail you tell about Zoho Zistober in this video particularly. Here there is a Zistober 2023 is mentioned. This is application form. You can see Zoho Schools of Learning. Here is the name of the student. You have to mention your complete name with surname. Here you have to mention your date of birth. Then you have to mention your email ID, valid email ID. Then you have to mention your phone number. Email ID is important because your tasks and every communication will be done in the email through email. So you keep email a correct email and a particular using email. Then you have to go to the qualification. Here you have to select your current qualification. You are in 12th or 11th or diploma or a 10th plus diploma or 12th plus diploma or completed graduate or ongoing graduate or like that is other option also going. Here we have to mention what is your currently studying. If you are studying in 10th or 12th, you mention 10th. If you are studying in 12th, you have to mention the particular stream. If you have life sciences, you have to mention BSc. If you have to if you in life sciences, you have to mention your group. If you have non life sciences like mathematics, you have to mention MPC like that. Then you have to mention your address, detailed address. Then you have to mention your district, and then you have to mention in the states. There is a state like Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, like that. Then you have to mention your postal code. Then you have to mention your country. And in this video we mentioned India because I am from India. And then this is a mine. We have to discuss this one. You see the carefully stream you are choosing per hectober, intober, mactober, pentober. What is mean hectober? Hectober means it is a complete coding challenge. There is a Zoho always recruit the peoples for who have Java backend developer. But in this Zoho Zestober, they not mention any pre language requisite, so you can code in any language in Hectober. If you have a coding knowledge, you can go to Hectober. It is your depending on your interest. If you have non coding, you did not have coding uh, interest, or you did not have coding experience, so you have to go to Intober. What is meant by Intober? Intober means it is nothing but there is a diagram based task. If there is some task will be provided to you, you have to diagram it without using the color pens. You have to diagram only with pencil. Then you have to submit your diagram representation in the Zoho connection. Then you have to see October math. You mean no mathematics. Here is a mathematics related problems, puzzles like will be given in your task. You have to solve it. If you have interested in mathematics and problem solving, you can go to Mactober. Then is a Pentober. It is mean by content writing. We have to write some. There is described some lines. You have to write the particular topic on the content on the particular topic. This this four uh, these four are mentioned in the top of the video, that is called as coding, designing, writing, problem solving. Coding means Hectober, designing means Intober, writing means Pentober, problem solving means Mactober. Now we solve that. Then you have to see, after that you have to select only one option. Then we have to go to here. We can see after clicking you can eligible after selections. This is the Zoho schools of learning. There is another streams in substreams of Zoho learning. There is Zoho schools of business, Zoho schools of design, and Zoho schools of technology. We will be in upcoming videos, we will describe what is mean by this. You have to check it out our YouTube channel. Then you have to see there is here about Zoho schools. Where you hear about Zoho schools? Now you have to mention YouTube from my channel. Then you have to mention it is not mandatory. If you like to mention it, you have to mention that portfolio link means you have to created any website like portfolio. If you have any LinkedIn profile like that, you have to mention it. Then you have click on submit. Initially I will submit it. After submitting, you will get the pop-up that is a data successfully in green color. But I already filled this application and I am enrolled in Zixtober. You can see after submission you will be getting a mail from the Zixtober. This is my mail ID. I get the mail in October 22. After you selecting, you will get this mail ID invitation to join the Zist network. Here is the invitation. If I click on accept invitation, there will be invalid request will be appear because of it is a magic link. It is a Zoho schools of security purpose. They created one click option. If I one click applied already, so I click on it, but there will become error. If you can see, here is the error, invalid request. Now what I can do, you can go to the another tab. Here you can Zoho Connect. Click on Zoho Connect, enter it. You can see the first link. Click on it. In the right side you can see the sign in button. Automatically it will be sign it. Click on it, go to my account. Click on it, go to my account. Here you can see the my account, complete my account, verified. My account is open. Here you can see my personal details, profile, email ID, mobile number, security purpose, like that. Here you can see there 9 pattern. You click on it, you can see the Zoho products. In this you have to go to connect. You can wait a minute, you can load it. Yes, here you can see the Zoho schools. Means it is a Zestober. Here I selected Hectober, so I get added in the group of Hectober. If you selected Intober, Mactober, or Pentober, you will be added directly into that group. Then you can see there is a challenges here. There is a today I am recording this video on 3rd October. So here is the challenge of H003 is H002 and this is H001. After this you have to check the challenge and read the challenge and complete the challenge, and you have to submit the challenge in comment. You have to comment out successfully, but it will be known as pending. Then you have to submit it. If there is a particular Zoho official video how to submit the code or how to submit the task, I will give the link in the description. You have to check it out that to submit that challenges through Zoho schools. If you are till now uh, have some questions or queries or any difficulty to in joining or any issues, you can have the helpline. Like, you have to go to scroll down in the Zoho schools. Here you can see, head over to our WhatsApp group to join the conversation. Click on WhatsApp, you can redirect into this. You can join it, open in WhatsApp, you can click on it WhatsApp, and you can be joined in that WhatsApp group. You can take the updates from that WhatsApp group, and you can get the helpline number for Zestober. The Zoho created for Zestober specific uh, helpline number also, that so you can contact them. But there is mentioned you have to call only the purpose of Zoho.